So my dear friends, namaste to everyone and welcome to my channel. So in this video basically we are going to see what are the eligibility criteria for the CUET PG Economics 2023, and you people would be very interested to know today I am going to tell about all the universities like Delhi School of Economics, DSE, JNU, BHU, HCU, Pondicherry universities and other central universities, all central universities. And apart from central universities, there are also some autonomous that you can check out on the website. So basically, let me put in a simple way. Before going into the detail, people were too much anxious and people were worried about the DSE criteria, that is Delhi School of Economics. तो क्या दिल्ली स्कूल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स के लिए मैथमेटिक्स इंपॉर्टेंट है? So far till official notification, I think in the February, in the beginning last of February it was circulated. So to be very frank, you must have mathematics either in class 12 or graduation. If you have not mathematics either in class 12 or graduation, no problem, but you must be the student of DU, that is Delhi University, and for general EWS and all, you must have 50% marks in Delhi University, and for other categories ST, SC and PWD, you must have 45% in DU. So putting the things very simple, if you want to apply for DSE, till now we don't know what will happen after a week, because there is also news कि after 1 week there will be new circulation also for DSE criteria. तो लेट मी पुट इट इन वेरी सिंपल कि अगर आप 11th 12th में 12th में अगर आपका मैथमेटिक्स था तो you are okay, no problem, does not matter either you are from DU or not. Okay, no problem if you have not in DU in 12, but if you had mathematics in graduation, okay, then it's also okay. If chalo both condition is not satisfied, okay, then what will happen? You must be the student of DU. So here little bit biasness for the DU student, because there is 50% reservation. So if there is 240 seats, so 120 seats from entrance CUET and 120 seats from this DU reservation criteria, that is 50% seats are reserved for the Delhi University students according to their merit list, like 80%, 85%, whatsoever the maximum score they can keep. That will be the criteria. Till last year I think it's 1 year 116 seats for entrance and 116 seats for DU, that is 216 seats. So this was the basic things. So you could be masters also, you could be graduation also. Minimum should be graduation. Even you are master, that's great, but this is the compulsory criteria. You must have mathematics either in 12 or graduation. If you are not from mathematics background either of any, then you must be a DU student, Delhi University. In DU either you have maths or not, does not matter, but you must be economics honors. DU के लिए वही बच्चे एलिजिबल हैं. You must have economics honors. So all details I will be putting the screenshot, and I have put the screenshot in the background. At the end I will also put. Now let us chalo start ki what should be the criteria for JNU, BHU, HCU and all. So if you are not interested to watch this video till end, you please go to the website, see the last year 2022 eligibility. There is a prospectus. In prospectus they have written the eligibility. Okay, so most probably there is no mathematics rule even in BHU and all. Now we will see. तो चलो let us start कि उनमें क्या क्या डिटेल्स हैं, क्या क्या क्राइटेरिया हैं उनके, so that कि either you are eligible or not. And after that you please comment section below. And most of you know that ki I have started class for the CUET PG Economics, and very good response people are really giving. So far many people have joined. It's nearly, I think, more than 50 people have joined the course. So you could be the next. You please join, and we are going to close it by end of March. We will be not taking admission because hardly 3 months will be left in the exam. So please check it out. Here I have put the screenshot. You can see the details. Course fees only 2199 rupees. Here I will be giving all the recorded lectures. If you miss the class, even so far I have taken only 5-6 lectures, so you can get also the recorded lecture, and this recorded lecture free lifetime. You can watch it till lifetime, 1 screen, 2 screen, 5 screen, no problem. And I will be covering basically all CUET syllabus, and will be also discussed because doubt session is also there. So I will be teaching each and everything, all details here. You can check it out. You can contact at the given address, this NviNomics that you can see here, that is at the Telegram, or you can email me at the given. Fee is very less. I think it is the least in India, and there is no about the quality. You can watch the demo classes, 4-5 demo classes I have also uploaded, so you can watch it. So chalo guys, let's start the other eligibility criteria for the other students for the CUET PGU इकोनॉमिक्स। तो DSE के लिए यह क्लियर हो चुका है कि DSE के लिए इफ़ यू आर फ्रॉम इकोनॉमिक्स ऑनर्स देन यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर DU। इफ़ यू आर DU इकोनॉमिक्स ऑनर्स, माइंड वेल, DU इकोनॉमिक्स ऑनर्स, then you are sure if your score is more than 50%. If you are not from DU, then you must have 12th mathematics or graduation 1 paper mathematics, that score. तो चलो let's start, and please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed, because till your admission and counseling I will be with you with all the economic discussion. So please don't worry. And जो बच्चे ज्वाइन करना चाह रहे हैं, there is a join button on the subscribe, just beside the subscribe you can join, because in join we will have exclusive some mentorship for the especially PG economics entrance students, so you can also do that. So chalo let's start for the other universities criteria for the CUET PG economics 2023 guys. So chalo let's start. तो गाइज यहाँ पर सबसे पहले हम देखने वाले हैं JNU का, ठीक है। JNU का क्या एलिजिबिलिटी है, यहाँ पर क्लियरली लिखा हुआ है दिस इज़ फॉर CESP, और इसका कोड नंबर जो है सब्जेक्ट कोड दैट इज़ 216. सो यू कैन रीड इट क्लियरली, दैट इज़ डिसिप्लिन अंडर 10+2+3, दैट इज़ कि 10+2 12 हो गया, और 12 के बाद 3 years ग्रेजुएशन. पैटर्न ऑफ एजुकेशन विथ एटलीस्ट 50% मार्क्स, नॉलेज ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स एट 10+2 लेवल इज एक्सपेक्टेड. दैट मीन्स एक्सपेक्टेड का मतलब यह नहीं हुआ कि यू मस्ट हैव 10+2 मैथमेटिक्स, दैट इज़ कि मैथमेटिक्स इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर JNU and will be tested in the entrance exam. Yes, in entrance exam they can ask the basic, because exam is through CUET. This is little older prospectus things. So JNU is saying कि you need just 50% marks in graduation, nothing extra criteria. That's all about JNU. तो चलो now let us see about HCU, then we will see BHU also. So guys, this is for HCU. You know that in HCU there are two different courses for economics, that is one is financial economics, one is general economics. In general economics there is 75 seats, and in financial economics there are 37 seats. So for general economics it is written that you must have 50% marks in bachelor's or 60% marks in engineering if you have not done economics, that is political science, sociology, anthropology. That means for non-economics student. And for financial economics I am telling you mathematics is compulsory for 10+2 level. While you can read it, you can take a pause, you can take a screenshot. So for general economics, that is on the upper side, you can see the just 50% marks in graduation, and for financial economics 50% marks plus means and mathematics is compulsory at 10+2 level. Now let us see about BHU. तो गैज यह BHU का है, यह मैंने BHU के वेबसाइट्स पर देखा, वहाँ पर क्लियरली लिखा हुआ एनी कैंडिडेट हु हैज़ पास्ड BA, BSc, BCom, BTech एलिजिबल फॉर एडमिशन. मैथ्स इज़ नॉट कंपल्सरी. दे मस्ट हैव स्कोर्ड एग्रीगेट 50% मार्क्स इन ग्रेजुएशन सब्जेक्ट्स विच नीड ओनली मार्क्स, डू नॉट एड स्कोर्स गिवन इन द फाइनल मार्क्स. इसका मतलब यह हुआ कि जो आपके ग्रेजुएशन वाले सब्जेक्ट्स में हैं उस सब्जेक्ट्स में 50% होना चाहिए, नॉट इन अदर सब्जेक्ट्स. तो आई थिंक फंडा इज़ नॉट क्लियर. नाउ यू हैव क्लियर कट आइडिया अबाउट ऑल द इंस्टीट्यूट्स. जस्ट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड कि BHU में कितना चाहिए, JNU में कितना चाहिए, HCU में कितना चाहिए, क्या क्या एलिजिबिलिटी है. इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अदर इंस्टीट्यूट, यू जस्ट गो टू द प्रोस्पेक्टस ऑफ लास्ट ईयर एंड चेक द एलिजिबिलिटी. ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इज गिवन, एंड इन माई व्यू in general I think only DU has little complex criteria, but rest of the institute mathematics is not compulsory. However, if you see the autonomous, like if it could be ISI or something, you have to check their prospectus and read it out. And guys, please join the Telegram, which is link given below. I have also given the class details. So if possible you can also attend the class, and please subscribe the channel and stay tuned guys. In case of any kind of updates I will be updating you on YouTube as well as Telegram guys. चलो thank you so much, stay tuned and keep sharing, keep loving. मिलता हूँ मैं आपसे अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय guys.